Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Eventbrite and Slack. So the use case here is, whenever a new event is created in Eventbrite, automatically send channel message via Slack. So now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Eventbrite is an event management solution and a ticketing website, whereas Slack is used to send messages. The issue here is that these two software applications don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer the data from Eventbrite to Slack. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. So here I am at Google, and now what I'm going to do is I'll go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I've already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. You just have to clone the template of the workflow. The link for the same is available in the description below the video. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get access to this workflow right in your account. So now I'm going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and you can see we have so many workflows already created over here. So now I'm going to create a new workflow by clicking on this Create Workflow button. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as Eventbrite Integrations. Okay, so now I'm going to create it. Okay, so first here in Choose App, I am going to choose Eventbrite. That is this one. Okay, so now in trigger event, according to our workflow, new event created will be our trigger event, because we want as soon as a new event is created, our workflow should be triggered. That is why new event created is our trigger event over here. Now you can see we have various other trigger events available. You can select whichever trigger event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? Let me tell you that automations run on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. That is why whenever a new event is created in Eventbrite will be our trigger event over here. So now I'm going to click on Connect with Eventbrite. Okay, so now under credentials, you have two options. Either you can create new credentials by connecting with Eventbrite, or you can select any existing credential like this. Here, I am going to let it be new credentials and I am going to click on Connect with Eventbrite. Okay, so here I'm just going to authorize it. You don't have to worry about your data. Everything is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see it is asking us for the organization name over here. So here it has already mapped it. Now you can see this term called webhook URL. Now you might ask me that what is this webhook and how is it helpful for us? Let me tell you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook URL helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application. Okay, so now here you don't have to do it because we have already built a connection because of the authorization. So here you don't have to go and manually copy and paste this inside Eventbrite. So as soon as I click on save and send test request, what will happen is automatically this webhook will be set inside Eventbrite. Okay. Okay, so you can see webhook has been created. Now I'm going to click on capture webhook response. So now it is time to go to Eventbrite and create an event. So I'll go to Eventbrite. I've already logged into my Eventbrite and here I am going to create an event. Okay, so event title is going to be Workshop on Integrations. Organizer, I'll let it be Pabbly Connect. Type is going to be category. I'll keep it as business and professional. Subcategory Okay, so now here online event, date 19th February, time I'll keep it as 10 a.m. Event will end on the same day and the time is going to be 12 p.m. Here I'll choose India. Save and continue. Okay, so first I'll publish this. Okay, summary I'm going to write. This workshop is all about integrations of different software applications. Save and continue. Skip. I'll just add a ticket. Free quantity 150. Save. Next. Okay, so you can see I have created this event called Workshop on Integrations and it is scheduled on 19th February at 10 a.m. It's an online event and you can see the description. Now I'll just save it. Okay, so now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. So you can see Pabbly Connect has captured the data. You can see we have the user ID over here, endpoint URL, action is here, webhook ID is here, and you can also see the API URL. Okay, so now in this API URL, you can see the ID of our event. So this ID of the event is going to help us to gather the other details of this event. You can see we don't have the title or the description or the time and date of the event. So in order to get those informations, we need this ID. And you can see the ID is mixed with this URL. It is attached with it. So in order to split this URL from this ID, what we are going to do is we have to split this text. First, I'll just save this. And now I'm going to use a text formatter. So here I'll choose text formatter. And in action event, I am going to use split text, connect with text formatter. So here in text to split, I am going to map the API URL, that is this one. And here the separator is going to be this oblique. So I'm just going to put it here. And segment index, that means what part of this text do you want? Do you want the first part, second part, last part, second to last, or all? So here I need this second to last part. That is why I'm going to click this, save and send test request. So you can see we have got our API response and you can see we have the result over here. So this is our ID. I'm just going to click on save. Okay. So now with the help of this ID, we are going to get the other details of our event. So I'm going to click on this plus button again. And here I'll again choose Eventbrite. And in action event, we are going to get the event details. So connect with Eventbrite. So under credentials, we again have two options. If you want, you can create new credentials or you can select any existing one. So here I am just going to use my existing credential. So I'll use this. Save. Okay, so here it is asking us to map the event ID. So I'll just map it. We have it here. Save and send test request. So you can see we have the title of our event, Workshop on Integrations. We have the description that is here. The workshop is all about integrations of different software applications. And if you come down, you can see time zone is over here. Okay, we have all these details. I'm just going to click on save. So here the thing is that we are getting the description details over here, but the issue here is that the page where we fill the description comes after the page of the event created. That is why Pabbly Connect may not capture this description detail sometime. So in order to prevent this, what we are going to do is we are going to make Pabbly Connect capture the data little bit late. That is why I am going to add an action step over here. So here I am just going to use delay. So I'm using this delay so that Pabbly Connect captures the information little bit late so that the description of the event can also be captured by Pabbly Connect. So here delay for, I let it be delay for, and here I let it be minutes, and here I am going to keep it as 2. That means Pabbly Connect will capture the detail after 2 minutes. So I'm just going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so you can see delayed for 2 minutes. Now I'm just going to click on save. So now what will happen is even if we are filling the description after the event is created, still Pabbly Connect will capture the information. So now I'll come down. I'm just going to click on connected with Eventbrite so that our workflow gets refreshed. Okay, so I'll just save this again. So now here we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of Eventbrite and Pabbly Connect. Now let us begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate Slack and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button. So here I am going to choose Slack. And now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever a new event is created in Eventbrite, we want to send channel message without image. That is this one. That is why I am going to click on this. Now you can see we have various other action events available. You can select whichever action event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now I am going to click on connect with Slack. Okay, so now under credentials, you can see we have two options. If you want, you can click on new credentials and you can directly connect with Slack. Or if you want, you can also select any existing credentials from here. Now I let it be new credentials and I am going to connect with Slack. So here I am just going to allow it. You don't have to worry about your data. Everything is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. So now here we have some empty fields and we have to fill the information according to our responses. So we just have to map all these details. So channel. So you might have created several channels in your Slack account. Like if I go to my Slack, I've already logged in here. You can see I have all these channels already created over here. And you can see I have created a channel for Eventbrite. If you want, you can also add more channel by clicking on this plus button and you can create a channel. So here I want the message should come in Eventbrite. That means whenever an event is created in Eventbrite, a message should come in this channel. That is why what I'm going to do is I am going to choose this channel, that is Eventbrite. It is here. Okay. Message type, let it be plain text message. Okay, so now in message I am going to write new event created. I'll just map the description that we have. Okay. Bot name, I'll choose it as the title of our event, that is workshop on integrations. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got our API response. That means we have successfully finished the integration of Eventbrite and Slack. So now I'll go back to Slack. So you can see we have a message over here, new event created. This workshop is all about integrations of different software applications. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So now I'll go back to Eventbrite and I'm going to create a new event. Create event. Event title. Conference on COVID protocols. Type. I'll keep it as conference. Category health, medical, online event. I'll change the time to 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay. Here I'll change the time to India. Save and continue. Okay, so I'll just publish this. Okay, now summary I am going to write. This conference is all about the necessary protocols related to COVID. Save and continue. Skip. 50. Okay, so you can see we have successfully created this event here. Now what I'm going to do is we are going to go back to Slack and we are going to check if we have got a new message or not. So I'll go back to Slack. I'll just refresh this page once. Okay, so you can see we have a new message over here, new event created. This conference is all about the necessary protocols related to COVID. And you can see our bot name is our title of the event, Conference on COVID Protocols. Okay, so we have successfully finished our integration here. Now I'll just go back and I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. I'll just minimize all this. Okay, So in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Eventbrite to Pabbly Connect, then from Pabbly Connect the information went to Slack. So now every time a new event is created in Eventbrite, automatically a new channel message will be sent in Slack. So we have successfully finished the integration of Eventbrite and Slack using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.